The Pharaoh's unyielding queen. Once upon a scorching sun in ancient Egypt, during the reign of Pharaoh Amenhotep III, there lived a wise and compassionate queen named Nefertari. Her beauty was renowned throughout the land. But it was her grace and intelligence that captivated the hearts of all who encountered her. Queen Nefertari had been married to Amenhotep III for many years, as his devoted wife and trusted advisor. She possessed a deep understanding of the complexity of politics and the importance of maintaining a harmonious relationship between Pharaoh and the people. During their reign, Egypt enjoyed a time of great prosperity, and the kingdom flourished under Pharaoh Amenhotep III's rule. However, as the years passed, an illness befell the pharaoh, gradually weakening his body and clouding his mind. The news of the pharaoh's deteriorating health spread through the kingdom, causing concern and uncertainty among the people. It was during this time of crisis that Queen Nefertari stepped forward, assuming a position of even greater authority than before. With unwavering determination, Nefertari consulted the kingdom's most esteemed physicians and scholars, desperately searching for a cure for her beloved husband. Despite exhausting all known remedies, they could not halt the pharaoh's decline. While the ailment ate away at Amenhotep III's strength, Nefertari spent countless hours by his bedside, offering him solace and comfort in his times of uncertainty. She summoned the court scribes to document each passing day, ensuring her husband's reign would be remembered with reverence and celebrated for centuries to come. As Pharaoh Amenhotep III's health continued to deteriorate, Nefertari faced a grave decision. In order to prevent chaos within the kingdom, she knew a successor needed to be chosen. And so, Nefertari convened the council of high priests and advisors, seeking their counsel in selecting the next ruler. Days turned into nights as deliberations took place. Nefertari listened to the council's opinions, weighing every word with care. But in her heart, she knew there was one candidate who possessed the qualities necessary to lead Egypt into the future, her own son, Prince Amenhotep. Nefertari summoned her son, confiding in him the great responsibility that awaited him. She imparted her wisdom, teaching him the art of diplomacy, the importance of empathy, and the significance of maintaining the kingdom's traditions. When the day arrived for the prince's coronation, Nefertari stood by his side, her presence offering him strength and reassurance. The people of Egypt welcomed their new pharaoh with open arms, grateful for the continuity of leadership and stability. Although grief lingered in her heart for the loss of her beloved Amenhotep III, Queen Nefertari embraced her new role as Egypt's queen mother. She continued to advise and guide her son, supporting him through the intricacies of leadership and ensuring his reign would be remembered as one of prosperity and compassion. Years passed, and Pharaoh Amenhotep IV ascended to the throne with his queen, Nefertiti, by his side. The two ruled Egypt with an unprecedented fervor, ushering in an era of religious reform and artistic innovation. But amidst their successes, both Amenhotep IV and Nefertiti remained forever indebted to the indomitable spirit and unwavering devotion of Queen Nefertari, the true guiding force behind Egypt's greatness. And so, the legacy of the pharaoh's unyielding queen endured, forever etched in the annals of ancient Egypt, a testament to the power of love, strength, and unyielding loyalty that transcends time.